It is number 3, Leboano comes through. Money spot on the button there for the Tini Prinsloo stable. Treble for them and a quartet of wins for Andrew Fortune. Fantastic day so far for all concerned. Well done to the Sport of King Syndicate there. Mr. Leo Satara, I see nominated there. The 5-year-old son of Apiero comes through to pick up his 3rd career win. And this is a very impressive victory out here today, Tini.
Yeah, no, definitely, Lyle. You know what? We gave him his first run over 1400 and he was running on very strong and so on. And we put him away for a week or two, getting the right distance for him. All the partners involved in this was thanks a million. I mean, it's Leon, it's Brad, it's Joe from England and so on. The syndicate called Sport of Kings. And yeah, you know, I'm so happy to win with this horse for them. Because it can take some places, you know, and yeah, just a very big thanks to all these guys and so on supporting me, yeah. And for Andrew, yeah, what a ride, you know. It just makes it better and better every time he gets on a horse and he knows the horse. He just knows what to do, yeah.
Yeah, amazing jockey. I think he's now had 10 wins in his last 3 race meetings so far, and he's not finished yet. So now when this horse gets up to Pontadero's level, you're going to have a problem there.
Yeah, we might have a problem.
Which one's Andrew going to ride?
Both of them, yeah.
Well done.
Yeah, no, Lyle, just a big thanks to all my owners, everybody involved in my stable. And yeah, may it continue, yeah.
Well done, Tini.
Thank you so much.
Right, 3 winners on the day for the Tini Prinsloo stable. Well done to the Sport of King Syndicate there. Your horse has come through to pick up a very impressive victory. Number 3, Leboana. There was Whispers and Money, and it's come through smoking.